So everybody, this is King D coming again. I just wanted to once again just recap everything. So I showed you all a full live set. If you guys need any help and support, any content creators with creating your set, setting up your set for your filming, DM me or comment your boy, I can help you out. Also, I showed you the whole set. I cleaned and I set up everything. Everything looks nice and clean and nice and good, right? If you need any help with cleaning up your houses or your businesses or your set, I can also do cleaning and detailing. So not only do I do the production, the setup, get you right and tight with that, but I also can get it all cleaned up for you. So these are just some of the services I have. Also, I showed y'all the table, 2 chairs over here. We can set it up for counseling, for talking, for seminars. We can set it up for everything. So I'm just letting you guys know all of what King D and what Kingdtv2023